Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to answer some FAQs regarding BKWeb company. So we have taken some FAQs here. So the first question is, can we create company on BKWeb without buying a subscription, or can we use this feature in trial mode? So the answer is simply yes. You can use this feature in trial mode. So while filling your company details on the features tab, you will need to enable this option create company on BKWeb and mention your email ID here and simply click on save. But there is a catch. In trial mode, you cannot sync this company on multiple devices. This company can be used on BKWeb on this device only. This device means on which device you have created this company only. Okay, so the next question is, if you finally bought a subscription but you end up buying a subscription with a different email ID. This generally happens when we buy from a dealer, because the dealer will issue you a USR ID here. So the question is, how can you transfer this company, the trial company, on your actual subscription email ID? Can we do that? So the answer is yes. For that, you will need to visit our website, and first I am logging out here so that I can explain you the process. So simply you will need to visit our website, which is bookkeeperapp.net. Click on login here. Click on login using email ID and mention your email ID here and mention your registered password. If you have forgot or you have not set up your password, you can simply click on forget password and your password will be sent to your email ID here. Then simply click on login. On the right you will see welcome here. Click on that. Click on transfer company. After clicking transfer company, you will see the list of companies created on that email ID. For example, if you want to transfer this company, click on that. Simply click on transfer company and mention your current subscription email ID. That's it. That's the process to transfer your company. Okay. So the next question is, can I work on BKWeb company in offline mode? Offline in the sense, if you are not connected with internet. So the answer is simply no. You cannot work on a company, on a BKWeb company, if you are not having an active internet connection. But even you cannot open it. If there is no internet, you will be not able to open your company. But there is a catch here. If the company is already open and then your internet is lost in between, then the last sync data can be viewed. Okay, here you cannot edit or add anything here. Okay, so the next question is, can you shift your older data on a BKWeb company? For example, if your current data is on Dropbox or even on your local hard disk, can you transfer that data on BKWeb company or on a BKWeb? So the answer is currently no. In BKWeb company, there is no option to transfer your older data into the new company. As you can see in toolbar, there is no option of importing data from Excel. Okay, that's why you cannot import your older data into the company which is available on BKWeb. But you can buy this service from us, from the company itself, where you will be able to transfer your account masters and item masters only. Currently there is no option of transferring transactions. Okay, and this service will be chargeable and the charges will be directed, the charges will be told by the company. I mean, if you email us for that on support@bookkeeperapp.net, then concerned team will check your data and will let you know the charges for it. Okay, please note that only item and account masters can be transferred in your BKWeb company. Charges will be told by the concerned team. Okay, so the next question is, how can you delete a company created on BKWeb? See, directly you cannot do it. If you want to delete a company, just simply email us from your registered email ID on support@bookkeeperapp.net, mentioning that company name that you want to delete that. But before doing the email, you will need to do one thing, which is go to setting, go to company settings and rename this company name. Okay, just add delete as in the end of the company name so that the team can easily recognize this company, which one to delete. Okay, and one more question is there, can you shift your BKWeb company to local disk? For example, if you don't want to use company on BKWeb, you want it to on your Dropbox or on your local drive only, can you do that? The answer is yes, you can do this. For that, just simply click on company name and here is the option backup company on email. You can take backup on email, or you can click on bookkeeper web option and click on create local. So this process will create a local company on your desktop which can be synced on your Dropbox as well. So today's last question will be, how can I share company to a user? See, this feature is very useful for audit firms, CAs, who generally deals with multiple companies of different owners. So the question is, can you share a company to a different user? The answer is yes, provided he must be having a subscription, active subscription of Bookkeeper. For example, if you want to share this very company to a user, just go to settings, click on user management, and then you will need to click on email ID. So here in username, you will need to mention that subscription, that user's subscription email ID here. So I am going to mention an email ID here which is having a active subscription. And you can mention a password here, but before that click on verify, and you can give rights whatever you want, and if you want to give him admin rights, then you can share your admin password as well. Okay, so I am giving the rights here. Click on add update user. The user has been updated here, as you can see, and click on save. So I have one more device here which is connected over AnyDesk. Changes has been saved. Okay, this is an Android mobile. So as you can see, this company has been synced now. I'll click on download. Now you can use this company. So I hope you all your FAQs, most of your FAQs has been covered in this video. If you still have some more queries, you can connect with us on our support number, which is 9999176746, or you can even email us on our email ID, which is support@bookkeeperapp.net. Thank you.